Good day, everybody. So, welcome to another exciting class for ISP 3026. Today, what we are going to learn how to make a Microsoft account on our Hanson portal. So, Hanson College has provided all the students a free portal, free account for Microsoft Office. So, how to access today? We will learn how to access that account today and how can we download our Microsoft account on our local computers, right? So first, go on Google. So there are two ways to go on Microsoft page. Number one is you can go on Google page and write down office365.com login. That's the first way, and you will land it up in Microsoft Office 365 login. And this is the page you are looking at. This is the page where you will be at, right? In here, now let me show you a different way how to get into our this page. So the second way is our Hanson College Brampton. So you write on Google Hanson College Brampton. You can use either or, okay, but both ways will take you to the same page, student login, right? In here, you are able to see Schoology and you're able to see Office 365. So click on Office 365 and you are landed up into this page. So there are two ways to do it. Either land up this page from Hanson or go on Google, office365.com login, right? So you can go from this page as well. And this is the way you click on this. So either this way, this is from Office 365, and this is from Hanson. Doesn't matter, guys. Whichever way is comfortable for you, you can go to log in your Hanson College login. Okay, so Hanson College login, your AID A00308002, right? Or whatever your ID is at Canada Hanson.ca. So you have to write that. Okay, and then it will ask you your password. Okay, so guys, password is H capital ANSON, and then your month, date of birth, guys. Date of birth, first day is month. So let's suppose my date of birth is February 02. Okay, day 1717 and year 05. Okay, so this is how 2005. This is how you are going to log in yourself, guys. Okay, so this is how you log into your account. Click on sign in. This will not sign in. The reason why, guys, because this is not the right, I'm taking an example. That is why, guys. So I will log in to my login, guys. Okay. So once you click on your login, you will able to see this window, more information required. Then the second window, it will ask your phone number. Okay, so you click on Canada. You click on Canada and then punch in your phone number. Okay, and it will send you a code. Or somebody doesn't want to put their phone number, that's you can do that as well. Skip setup. So again, then click yes, and this is how you log in to your Microsoft Office account. Welcome to Microsoft 365, right? So it will once you have the right username and right password, you are able to log in to your Microsoft Office account. Then on the right hand side, make sure on the left hand side, on the right hand side, you have your name. It will show you your Hanson College ID, guys, AID. So some people do have, once they click on it, they have Gmail address. That will not work. So make sure you have Hanson College ID right in here with your name and with your ID, Hanson College. Okay, so once you make sure once you checked it, you go back in and then you are going to install and more. Click on that icon, guys. Okay, the lower button, and it says install Microsoft Office 365 apps. click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to a couple of windows for setup again to make sure that is you're the right person and you're installing it on your local computer. So now you reach it at this window, guys, where it says Office Apps and Devices. You click on Install Office. Okay, so once you click on Install Office, this will go into your downloads. Okay, so this file is comes into your downloads. Make sure if you're not able to only one time, click on one time only and make sure this file is downloaded on your local computer. Now, Taran comes to me, asks me, sir, I cannot see that file. That's no problem, Taran. So go on your File Explorer. So this is your File Explorer, guys. Click on your File Explorer, right, and go on Downloads. So here is the file. Office Setup comes right in here. Okay, so now your Office file, your Microsoft Office, the file comes right under Downloads. Double click on it. Once you are at home, double click on it. Say yes, right? And Microsoft Office will take, we are getting things ready, and Microsoft Office will download it on your local computer. This is the way you are going to install Microsoft Office on your local computer. So it will show you, please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. We are done in just a moment. So this line will go from here all the way to here, right? And then once this line will go all the way there, that means your Microsoft Office account being set up and you downloaded Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint on your local computer. And that's it, done. Okay. Once Microsoft Office setup has been completed, you go on your start button and take a look at your applications. You have Microsoft Access, you have go under E, you're able to see Microsoft Excel, and then go to P, you are able to see Microsoft PowerPoint, and go under W, you are able to see Microsoft Word. That shows that you have completed setup for your Office 365 on your local computer. Now you do not need to work on Microsoft 365 online. This is the way you are going to download all the software on your local computer. Okay, so anybody have any doubts, any confusions, they can always message me on Schoology. I'm more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much, guys. I will see all of you in another exciting installation or class with Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye for now.